Hello, tiny doctors. Hello. My name is Dr. Eva, and together we're going to learn all about the human body. Did you hear that, tiny doctors? What was that?
Oh no, I forgot my helmet. Oh, ow. Help! Help!
Oh no, Scrubby, are you okay?
Oh, Dr. Eva, ouchie!
Oh no, Scrubby, what happened?
Oh, I was on my scooter and I fell over.
Oh no, Scrubby, are you ouchy anywhere?
Ouchie on my head.
Oh no, Scrubby, I'm so sorry you're ouchy. That must have been a big tumble.
Yes, it was, and it hurts really bad.
Oh no, Scrubby. Shall we try and get up slowly and see if you're okay? Well done, Scrubby.
Oh, ouchie.
Oh, I know, Scrubby. Let's get your scooter out of the way. Oh, let me help you up. Oh, well done, Scrubby. You've been very brave. Shall we go with the tiny doctors and do a checkup on you to make sure that your head is okay?
Oh, please, Dr. Eva, yeah, my head really hurts.
Let's go then and do a checkup together. Yay! Let's go. Tiny doctors, it's clinic time. Scrubby today fell over and his head is ouchy. Let's do a checkup on him together and make sure that he's okay. Scrubby, can you come in, please?
Oh dear, Dr. Eva, I feel so bad and my head is ouchy.
Oh, I'm sorry, Scrubby. Is it okay if me and the tiny doctors do a checkup on your head?
Oh, check up, Dr. Eva.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I'll be brave.
Scrubby, did you know inside our head we have a very special organ?
Organ?
Yes, organ.
Organ.
That's right. An organ, Scrubby, is a very special part of our body that does loads of important jobs. The organ inside our head begins with the letter B. B says
B.
That's right. Well done. B says
B.
B. Can you think of the name of the organ that's inside our head?
Oh, I'm thinking. Could it be the brain?
Yes! Well done! Inside our head, we have the brain. Brain.
Dr. Eva, what does the brain do?
Very good question, Scrubby. The brain is so special and it controls every single thing that happens inside our body.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Yes, and it's very important right now to make sure that your brain is okay.
Oh,
We must wear a helmet when we are on a bike, when we are on a scooter, when we are doing any activity that could hurt our brain.
oh, Dr. Eva, that means we have to protect our brains.
That's right. And me and the tiny doctors now are going to make sure that your brain is okay.
Okay, Dr. Eva, yeah, let's do a checkup.
Tiny doctors, before we begin, let's wash our hands. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. I'm gonna put now my pretend gloves on. Ready?
Wow! Wee!
Well done. Now I'm going to check and make sure that your head is okay. Scrubby, where is it, ouchie? Show me.
Oh, I feel ouchy over here, Dr. Eva.
Okay, I'm just going to have a look, okay? And I'm looking if it's swollen or if there's any cuts or if everything's okay. It looks okay, Scrubby.
Oh, but it's really sore, Dr. Eva.
I know, Scrubby. Scrubby, are you feeling very sleepy?
No, Dr. Eva, not that sleepy.
Good. And are you feeling sick, like you want to vomit? Vomit is when food that's in your tummy wants to come right back out.
Oh, no, Dr. Eva, I don't feel like I want to vomit.
And Scrubby, do you feel dizzy?
Oh.
Dizzy, bit wobbly?
Yeah, it's a bit spinny, Dr. Eva. Yeah, I feel very dizzy.
Oh, thank you for telling me, Scrubby. Now, Scrubby, can you show me and the tiny doctors that you can wiggle your fingers? Can you wiggle your fingers?
Oh.
Can you wave your hands?
Yeah.
Yes, well done. And Scrubby, can you show me a kick with your foot? Show me a kick, strong one.
Okay, Dr. Eva, watch
Show
this.
me.
Watch this.
Oh wow, Scrubby, excellent karate skills.
Yeah!
Oh wow. Scrubby, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to use a torch.
A torch?
A torch.
What's that, Dr. Eva?
It's a little light that I'm going to shine in your eyes.
Oh. Dr. Eva, can you shine it on my hands first?
Oh yes, of course. Look, Scrubby, it's not ouchy.
Wow.
Wow.
Dr. Eva, can you shine it on my chest?
Yes, I can. Look.
Oh.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Okay, Dr. Eva, I'm ready for you to shine it in my eyes.
What I'm checking is if the eyes and the brains are working together. Okay? Just look at my nose. Look at my nose. Yay!
So
Well
bright.
done. And I'm just checking your eyes. You have been so brave, Scrubby. Well done.
Wowee!
So, Scrubby, we checked your fingers, we checked your feet, we checked your eyes, and everything seems okay.
Oh, wonderful. Dr. Eva, I have a question.
Yes, of course, Scrubby.
Could I go back and play on my scooter?
Oh, so you're gonna get some rest today? But yes, of course. Hopefully, if everything's okay tomorrow, you can go back on your scooter.
Oh, wowee!
But shall we remember to put something on our head so we can protect our brain?
Would we put on like a saucepan on my head?
Oh, that's so silly, Scrubby.
They're
No.
really hard, Dr. Eva. It'll stop it.
Yeah, it is hard, but can we think of something else that we can wear on our head?
Oh, how about a hat?
Oh, you're very close, Scrubby. But can you think of a special hat that will protect your brain?
Oh, tiny doctors, I need a help with this one.
What should we wear?
Yeah, it's got to be a hat, and it's got to be hard to protect my head.
Helmet.
Yes, it's a helmet. The tiny doctor said it's a helmet.
That's right. We must wear a helmet when we are on a bike, when we are on a scooter, when we are doing any activity that could hurt our brain.
Oh, Dr. Eva, sure, I'm going to go get a helmet before I go on my scooter.
Oh, let me show you a helmet. Is that okay?
Yes.
I've got a helmet for you, Scrubby.
Oh, wow, Dr. Eva.
Can I put it on?
Sure.
Oh, wow. Look at that. And we're going to make sure There's fastened at the bottom.
Oh, nice and tight on my head.
That's right. And you can pick any color you want. You can pick any design as long as you protect your brain.
Okay, Dr. Eva.
Well done, Scrubby. You've been so brave today. You fell over, but you asked for help and you told me exactly what happened. You've been so smart. Thank you.
Dr. Eva.
Thank you, Scrubby.
Thank you, tiny doctors.
Bye.
Bye.